Hey everyone, it's Carol. Today I'm going to show you a few hats that I bought, caps and wide rim hats for the sun, and a couple of bags. And the prices are amazing. You'll have to check under my video to see the prices and to see the links if you want any of these items. Also, I am just touching up my nails with Sally Hansen Insta-Dry in Sour Patch. And the color is that unred. That's what it's called. Okay, so I want to show you little Valentine things that I got for my kids. They're so cute. They came over and my daughter got me a lollipop heart of roses and a box of Whitman's chocolate and my favorite candy bar, which is an Almond Joy. And my son brought over a heart-shaped pizza, roses, and chocolate-covered strawberries. So that was from his family and her family. They're just so wonderful. They made my day. Yeah, and so that was my Valentines, and today is my birthday. I am uploading this on my birthday, and I'm 74. It's a weird number, but all my friends from high school are 74 also. And I don't know how many of you are 74, but it's quite the number. What else? Oh my gosh, have you heard Miley Cyrus's song, Flowers? Woo! Wow. Wow, wow, wow. If you haven't, download the song, go to YouTube, and put Miley Cyrus Flowers. It is the anthem for women. It busted Spotify's records. It's on every Instagram short, every TikTok. They're using her music for their background, for song. It's just so wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. If you haven't heard it, I beg you to listen to it because you will get up and start dancing. Really, it's really good. It's really, really good. I am going to show you a clip of all the hats that I've just bought. Oh, in fact, I'm going to put this one on now. Okay, so this is one of the hats that I bought. I don't think it looks good on me, my face. But it is pretty, right? So, all right, now I'm going to show you a clip of all these cute hats I got. 2 of them were on Amazon, the rest were on SHEIN, the bags were on SHEIN. You're going to be amazed. Great hats. And I did buy from a few vendors, and the vendor on Amazon I'm going to put for you for the sun hats. It came the best. They sent me in the best shape, best form. Anyway, let's get to the hats, and here we go. First up, we have a summer mesh sun hat for women. Lightweight beach hat, UPF 50, and it's packable with a wide bucket brim, and it has chin strap. It holds its shape, and here we have it. They call it pink. I call it peach, because you see, it's not the same color as the pillow behind me. So it's more like a peach. Very cute. It looks like a firm brim, because the seller that I'm going to put the link below sent it properly. The 2 other sellers sent it all mushed up in a ball, and I wasn't keeping that. But this seller sent it beautiful. And you could fix the rim. It has metal around it. It's got 2 buttons on the hat. You could turn the brim up. You could put your hair down. You
could hide your hair. You could remove the chin strap. On a windy day, you're going to need it. If it's windy at the beach. And I just love that you could just fold it up. Now this one is a blue velvet. This is from SHEIN. I think I look like a jockey here.
Jockey?
I don't know. But it is a pretty hat. I just have to figure out how I'm going to wear it. This one is a white furry one, and it says Los Angeles. Then we have a pink one. I don't know what that says, but it's pink and blue. I love those colors. They brighten your face. And then I have a cream color with sparkles on it. Very cute. For a little blustery day, it's a perfect hat. After that, we have... Oh, now we're putting on lipstick. Okay, so I'm going to show you what lipstick I'm putting on. There, I put on the liner with the L'Oreal Infallible Nudist, and then I put on my new Melt lipstick called Paulina, and then I put on a gloss, which I'm using the Revlon gloss. It's called The Gloss. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You're going to love this gloss. It stays, it shows, it does what it's supposed to. Oh, and here are some swatches I did for you.
That's Paulina, and it's magnetic. And this is the Ethereal Gold. Gorgeous. I love this. And then this is the Nudist.
Okay, this is my Paris hat. It is a fleece, beige fleece. Oh, and here's the bags. These are the bags. This one is a creamy white. This I got from SHEIN also. Look at the interior. Look, it's amazing. And it has a zipper on top. And here it is in black. I'm so excited for this. These bags are reminiscent of the MCM bags, if you're familiar with that designer. They don't say MCM on it at all. But the style is so classy, so cute. I mean, I just love it. I bought it in both colors, and it's very sturdy. It's so easy to shop with. You just throw your stuff in, and it has the zipper on top, which will help everything from falling out. It has a little extra purse attached to it. So cute.
And then I got this from Bear Paw. I think I paid $21. Look at these. These are my favorite slippers. I just discovered these last year. I bought the pink. I'll show you a picture of me with the pink. And then this one. And this is like the new trend for the handbags too. I ordered a few handbags with this, like puffy, they're called puffer, like puffer jackets. Well, I ordered handbags like that. That's what it's copying. And it has this gorgeous, gorgeous lining. Oh my goodness. And it's a little wedge, a little bit, gives you a little height. And this is a size 7. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love this. I love the white. If I can keep them clean, I'll be very happy. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, my goodness. So comfy, cozy. So I think that's the end of the haul. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all being here so much. Have a beautiful, beautiful day. Remember, I'm here for you. Love you all.